Hello guys, right, I'm going to be doing something very special that I haven't done for this new kind of obviously trading community with my YouTube channel. So that's just more of like a vlog style video, something that I can actually just show you guys just a little bit more relaxed, casual. And this is what I want to do best as I can going forward, because of course you guys have very obviously kindly subscribed to me. You guys are watching me, so of course I want to show you better content and things that are more to do with my kind of day-to-day life, my thoughts. Now currently I am actually pretty excited, not only just to continue and start this vlog that I haven't done in ages, because for those of you that don't know, my YouTube channel used to be a lot about something else, which was golf and comedy, which you won't find the videos anywhere. But now, of course, you know, I'm here doing vlogs for this, and I haven't vlogged in probably 2-3 years. So again, I do apologize if it is like anything weird or non-vlog, typical vlog style, but yeah, I'll just show you what's happening in day-to-day life. So again, today it is 19th of March. Tomorrow is my birthday, so very, very happy with that. So again, let's see how things go. Let's do it. Right, I'm going to start off this vlog by, well, again, I'm actually going to probably call this video a title of Day in the Life of a Trader Weekend Edition. I think that's probably going to be a good title. I'm sure you guys will actually end up watching this video. But anyway, yeah, it is sunny. And yes, I do have a hat and my hoodie because again, it is pretty windy in London, South London in particular. You know, the sun is kind of like an illusion in London. You know, sometimes the sun comes out and it is warm, but very, very infrequently you can get actually, well, how can I put this? It'll be sunny, but it will be cold. So again, you know, if you ever come to London, any traders out there, then of course, just make sure always bring a jumper or a woolly hat or something, even if the sun is shining, okay? It can be an illusion. But anyway, right, so today I'm going to start off my day by cleaning my car because it is absolutely filthy. And no, it's not no Lamborghini or Aston Martin or anything of these Forex trader lifestyle videos typically are. It is just a standard BMW. So as you can see, guys, you know, this is like the kind of interior, and as you can see, it is absolutely filthy. Honestly, like, it is dirty and it definitely needs a clean. So again, for me, I hope you guys can see that, I used to actually clean my car a lot in the summer. The summer actually did used to produce very good weather in London, but again, it's going downhill. Hopefully we could see that kind of 22 to 25 degrees soon in London. But again, I used to clean my car almost every week. So again, I haven't cleaned my car in a while, so let's get on with that. Whew. Hey guys, right, so one of the things I did actually want to ask you guys is that what are you guys a fan of hobby wise, right? So for me, I love my cars. So I'm sitting in my car right now, and every time I start the engine, oh yes, I love it. It's only a 2-litre engine, but I just still love the roar of cars. That's just me. And of course, I love like music. I love music in cars. Like I literally just put it on full blast. And I personally, for those of you that are interested, I like kind of hip-hop music, but also deep chill house. I love chill house vibes, deep chill house. There's relaxing lounge kind of music, literally, that is just so nice and peaceful. And especially it's good when it comes to actually just chart work and, you know, doing your back testing. So again, guys, let me know what is your hobbies and what kind of music do you like? Because for me, again, I just love cars. I love reading about cars. I love everything to do with cars, especially fast cars. And yeah, that's the kind of music I like. So yeah, here we go. Right guys, it is more or less pretty much cleaned up inside. I've still got a little bit more work to do on it, but again, I'll show you the next clip where I will be washing the outside of my car. So yeah, and I know it's funny because I'm still thinking how this kind of video where typically where you see a day in the life of a trader, it's normally like talking about, oh, you know, making this profits, or it's kind of like, oh yes, I'm gonna ride in my Lambo, or I'm gonna go to this fancy restaurant or at a beach. But no, I'm here with my Dyson cleaning my car. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this, guys, so far. Peace. Right, time to get cleaned. Right, I'm getting there.
A few moments later.
And there you have it. That is it. My car is now cleaned and gave it a nice soap, rinse and wax. It was obviously very difficult because the sun is shining. For anyone that likes to wash their car, they would know, you know, when there's soap and the water is out, it dries pretty quickly and leaves marks. So again, for me, I'm pretty happy. I love washing my car. But yeah, there you have it. She looks beautiful. So yeah, part 2 of what I need to get done today, done. Whew, right, it is done. I'm glad I got that done. And yeah, this is new style of transitions, guys. I'm sure you haven't like seen me do these kind of God, I keep even doing the camera wonky. Sorry about this, guys. But anyway, guys, so there you have it. You know, that is what I've been doing this morning, just washing my car. Obviously had breakfast before, and now just a little bit of a relax before I start the second half of my day, where I will be going to watch the new Batman film in South London. So again, I will be doing that, so that'll be exciting. Guys, if you've seen the new Batman film, let me know. I've got no idea how it is. To be honest, I personally did prefer, I love when Christian Bale, I think his name is, the actor, did obviously Dark Knight, Batman Begins and The Dark Knight Rises, I think it's called. Again, top films with obviously the Joker and Bane. Honestly, I love those. So again, yeah, that's what I'll be doing later today. So again, I will start to vlog that if I can. I don't know how I'm going to do that because of course I'll be in the cinema, but yeah, that is what I'll be doing. So guys, anyway, so far I hope you are enjoying this video. You know, of course, like I say, on my channel versus all the other videos that I've done where I've been basically sitting in my room, which is this room, my bedroom, and just been obviously doing videos. You know, it is kind of like a new style, and this is something I want to chat to you guys, like something that is very different to how I've usually posted. And what I mean by this is that over this last year, I'm sure you guys know that have been following me so far. Is, by the way, thank you to all my subscribers that have obviously, you know, subscribed. And if you haven't, don't know why you're not subscribing, subscribe right now, because of course I am going to produce plenty more great content on top of what I have already produced. But guys, you know, like I say, over the past year, I've had a hell of a journey, like in terms of trading. Like not only have I, you know, learned how to trade, but of course I found a community where I focused, and since then I've literally been in my room back testing for the whole year into this year, like literally up till February, well up to even now, literally just been focused, which of course is why my content has been very in a way kind of intense, of course, like in a good way, in the fact that hey, I talk about specific topics, whether it's psychology or price action reading or becoming consistently profitable and different kind of prop trading firms and things like this. So you know, one of the things that I want to actually start to implore is the Wonder Kid brand. Like I didn't create the Wonder Kid just to be a trader and just to trade and show you guys how I trade, things about price action reading and consistently profitable and prop firms and money. Like I want to create the Wonder Kid to be a proper real brand in my own unique way, just a little bit more fun. And this is the thing, like, you know, in trading, there's times where we really take it seriously because we really want to be not only great traders, consistently profitable traders, but traders that are making money and can sustainably be living off that kind of income, right? Like that's the whole aim. And sometimes you'll find, and I'm sure some of you have already found, is that when you're on that path, it becomes very intense and stressful, right? And for me, I've been in this kind of year where it's been so much focus on work. I've literally had very few occasions to actually go socialize, blow off steam and enjoy, you know. Of course, there's been like a couple of parties from the community. So again, it's been okay, but not really, not enough, considering like how much I actually sit down and work. And guys, if you haven't already followed or subscribed to my other channel, which is called Wonder Kid Works, okay, the link, I'll post the link in the description. But again, you know, subscribe to that. That is where I actually show you guys all the deep kind of focused work, where I put forecasts, recaps, and all these other things. I'll start to put back testing videos and other things like that on that. By the way, go and check that out. So again, it's been very focused, but currently I just want to create and push forward the Wonder Kid brand. I can't be anything special if I'm following someone else and how they trade, or if I'm part of something else. I want to be the person that is expressing myself in my own unique way. I know I have got unique characteristics, not only like that is the way I read price action and trade, of course, you know, that is what you've seen, and on top of that, the psychology. But again, like, it's also the things I like to do, like skipping. I want to travel, I want to actually, like, you know, post videos and show you guys all about that. And I think that's what's important, and I think that's how I'm going to take this, not only this YouTube channel forward, where you guys will be watching me hopefully, but of course the whole Wonder Kid brand. I want this actually to be a new kind of wave of trading. I don't want traders, well, for me personally, I want to show you guys how I trade. I don't think trading should be you know, where you can actually just sit at the charts all day and just try and either scalp or just make money from that, because again, you're also burning up your time. I think that, you know, if you're earning an income like that, by all means, go ahead. If you enjoy that, cool. But for me, it's not for me. I don't personally want to be sitting at my charts all day, because then it's not really any different between a 9 to 5 and that. I actually want to be able to have the freedom of time as well as financial freedom, and eventually, of course, location freedom. All this is what I'm building towards, and this is, of course, kind of like I say, not only like a documentation, but bringing you guys along the journey. And this is where I want to direct this channel. So again, I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far, and if you have any questions, like, honestly, write down in the comments section below so far. But guys, honestly, just want to firstly thank God, obviously, because to me, there's no way I would have made 2+ K subscribers or whatever I am on now. And I know I did promise you guys a day in the life of a trader video when I hit 1K subs. So this has been long overdue. So I'm so glad I'm doing this for you guys. But again, like I say, you know, I hope that does kind of inspire traders to be their own person. Like there are a few videos coming up very, very shortly that are going to be very interesting for you guys. Some of the moves I've made that'll be very different to, you know, the expectations. So guys, check that out of the next coming 2 to 3 videos. Very interesting. But again, you know, I hope, you know, you guys do implore being your own unique self and actually going out there and really expressing it in whatever way that is. Like I say, for me, it's content creation alongside trading, traveling, experiencing new things. I want to be able to do that, right? And again, for you guys, really know yourself and really implore the ways that you want to actually not only make trading a business, but also other side things. Because sometimes, as you guys know, trading, you can't really rely on it purely as as one income, right? Because sometimes markets are range bound, sometimes they're trending. If you're a range bound trader, like, you can't really be picking, like, consistently extracting really large amounts of profit every month. You might be able to, I'm not sure. But again, what I'm saying is that markets can exhibit different phases. So, you know, of course, have a buffer, have a capital buffer, and you can use that income. But also, if you are an entrepreneur and you want to be self-made, I do implore you to also investigate different ways of making money, as I am, okay? So anyway, guys, you know, so far, I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. And yeah, time to actually get ready for Batman. So yeah, I'm going to start off by fixing up this beard, to be honest, because for me, this beard is pretty long, and like you got, I'm looking pretty rough right now. So guys, let me fix this up real quick, because it's a bit of a shambles. I'm showing you, you know, me in such a state. So yeah, let's see what happens. Right, there you go. I gotta admit, I'm enjoying these pretty much awful transitions. But yeah, there's something also I want to talk about to you guys as well, which is something that I did this morning before I actually decided, hey, I'm gonna vlog today and actually make a video on this, which is doing your ASR. So I typically like to do this either really late end of a Friday if I'm free, but if not, I'll do it on the weekend. So for me today, I actually did it early Saturday morning. And one of the things to note is that, you know, if those of you that don't know what an ASR is, it's an advanced self-review, where of course you go through your trades, and basically you can also cover the things that or how your performance was in the week, not only in trading but also in life. If you want to measure that, if you want to say, hey, I was a little bit more quieter, did I manage to speak a bit more, or hey, I'm not doing the kind of things on my to-do list as well as I can, make sure I get it done. And of course, like I say, you know, in my video, if you guys want to see it, I did a video purely on ASR where I talk about also giving yourself a reward so that you are reward orientated, okay? Because of course, you know, you don't really want or feel like you want to do something unless you actually have a reward at the end of it, right? You're not going to go to work in a job unless you actually get paid, or also if you're not going to get recognition and things like that. So anyway, like I say, advanced self-review, something that I did this morning, which of course I reviewed the trades that I was in. And of course, one of the things I wanted to talk about as well is from my advanced self review today was posting more and doing better stuff for my YouTube, and actually showing you guys a lot more things that I do in my day to day. So guys, that is something I do on the weekend, and I do highly recommend it. I think you should definitely be doing an advanced self-review as well if you are a trader, or you want to be a consistently, not only a consistently profitable trader, but a professional one. Because of course, we do tend to slip into bad habits without knowing, and before you know it, you're doing the bad habit day to day, and you're like, oh wait, I could have actually eliminated this if I wrote it down in my advanced self-review. So don't forget, guys, be dead honest in your advanced self-review, and yeah, it will help you to be consistently profitable and make sure that you are on the right track, okay, with your trading. And like I say, it can be to do with life. So anyway, guys, I'm going to end this little clip now, and I probably will join you when I'm back from Batman. So yeah, let's see what happens. Right, so I am finished Batman. Oh guys, I'll let you know the review in a bit. And yeah, currently at Rio's Peri Peri in Croydon. Pretty nice place. So guys, definitely check it out if you're ever in South London. But yeah, time to grab some food. Excited. Look at this. God damn. Right guys, I am back and it has been a day. Batman was very, very interesting. And I think, you know, probably comment on it a little bit just now. So guys, if you haven't watched Batman, yeah, well actually, you know what, I'm not even going to give spoilers. It was okay. It's just a new, different take of doing Batman. Of course, Robert Pattinson was the main actor. And yeah, it was very interesting. I think the one thing that they did really good is that they explained the story pretty well. But yeah, guys, if you haven't watched it, I do recommend you watch it, especially if you're a Batman fan. But yeah, again, my favorite Batman is still Christian Bale. I just love that trilogy. But anyway, guys, yes, so what am I doing for the rest of today? So I'm back. I had that burger and chips. It was absolutely banging, like absolutely beautiful. So right now, what do I like to do like on a weekend if I'm not doing anything or chilling? I'd either speak to friends or I would just read a book, have some mint tea and relax, or I'll just watch something that is pretty good to watch, either on YouTube or a series. Like I have been watching the series Billions for quite a while now. It's on series 6, like episode 8 or something. So yeah, I've been following that. But yeah, I do just like to read books. And by the way, guys, if anyone's interested with what I'm reading currently, it is Dare to Be Different and Grow Rich. Yes, I'm sure some people especially my old trading community have been reading this, and again, it is a pretty good book. It does, just a quick little review, that it just talks about the lessons from like Tim Cook, Steve Jobs, all these big people, the owner of Starbucks, the owner of General Electric, Henry Ford. It talks about all these guys and what they had to go through, and it gives you the key lessons. Okay, so again, I do recommend this book if you guys want to know not only their backstory, but the key kind of takeaways in what you need to be if you want to be, well, self-made. It's the secrets of self-made people. So yeah, do check it out if you are an avid reader. But yeah, for now, guys, I am going to chill and relax. And yeah, and as you can see, guys, the background isn't too flattering. Of course, it's a TV. It's some sort of, obviously it's like where I work out, and a boxing bag. So yeah, there you have it. That's how it is for now. But like I say, guys, I hope you did enjoy this vlog. If you did enjoy it and you want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But like I say, if you had any comments, please feel free to write down in the comment section below. But again, if you are a trader and you do want to share what you do typically on the weekends to chill, relax, blow off steam, then yeah, let me know down in the comment section below again. But like I say, guys, have a fantastic trading week again, and thank you for watching. Take care and see you in the next one. Peace.